God is the friend of silence. See how nature, trees, flowers, grass grows in silence. See the stars, the moon and the sun, how they move in silence. We need silence to be able to touch souls. Mother Teresa. To make the right choices in life, you have to get in touch with your soul. To do this, you need to experience solitude, because in the silence you hear the truth and know the solutions. Deepak Chopra. The winds of grace are always blowing, but you have to raise the sail. Sri Ramakrishna. There are two great days in a person's life, the day we are born and the day we discover why. William Barclay. If you're not in the job you love the job you're in. Marci Shimoff. Do what you love what you do. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you're doing, you will be successful. Schweitzer. When we learn to say a deep, passionate yes to the things that really matter, then peace begins to settle onto our lives like golden sunlight sifting to a forest floor. Thomas Kincaid. The important thing is not to think much but to love much, and so do that which best stirs you to love. Saint Teresa of Avila. When you follow your bliss, doors will open where you would not have thought there would be doors, and where there wouldn't be a door for anyone else. Joseph Campbell. I don't know what your destiny will be, but one thing I know, the only ones among you who will be really happy are those who have sought and found how to serve. Schweitzer. Whoever is happy will make others happy too. Mark Twain. You have to do it by yourself. And you can't do it alone. Martin Ruda. Human beings are more alike than we are unalike. Try to spread your giving of yourself to people who may not even look like you. You belong to everybody, and everybody belongs to you. Maya Angelou. Our business is to be happy. His Holiness the Dalai Lama. It is only possible to live happily ever after on a day-to-day basis. Margaret Bonanno. I have done what was mine to do. May Christ teach you what is yours. Saint Francis of Assisi.